Hey guys, we're back. I saw some scary things and I accidentally paused the video. Okay, so we're gonna go back to that trail. So just gonna pause it because it's hard to get to. Bye. I guess you guys won't even barely notice anything, but whatever. Alright, so now that I got to one of these parts, there's like a big steep part, like
I rolled down this. That's how I found out the trail was here. I just jumped.
There's like this big steep hill, like right behind me, so I had to pause it. This one's still a little steep. Jeez, Okay, I'm just gonna pause again. You guys don't even notice I was paused. Yeah, so I accidentally, this way, eating shelter.
It's like the same thing.
There's like so much signs of the same things. So weird. Well, we're just gonna follow. Just gonna keep going this way. What? We're just sort of. Video. So it's
What? You have to erase it. No, don't worry. That's so scary. We can't delete it. How scary is that growling? It's like a grizzly bear.
I think there are grizzly bears where we live. Are there crows up there?
Meaning vultures. Someone died. It sounded like a wolverine. I mean, the freaking wolverine.
I heard it. Good thing we got back in time.
No, guys, if you think we're lying in this video, 100% we're not. It was like, and no neighbor's dog makes that noise.
Yeah. And like, there's no. I don't think there's barely ever.
My legs are shaking.
Oh gosh, you guys might not see anything. I'm just so scared.
Yeah, but we're going to end this video now.